is defined as a join of components of physical devices that intervene in a computer system. Input devices. They are the ones from which the information is introduced to the computer to be processed or transformed. Some examples are keyboard, barcode reader, scanner, mouse, webcam, microphone, touchscreen, etc. Output devices. They are the ones that show to the user the data previously transformed or processed. The most used are the printer, which shows the information in written form, the monitor, which presents the information in a visual form, the speakers, which present the information in sound form. Software. It is the set of instructions or programs that are introduced in a computer in order to carry out a process. System software. It administrates and controls the operation of this hardware. Application software. It permits to execute specific tasks from the user. The system is the most important program of a computer. It is defined as the program that permits the user to take control of the computer, both software and hardware, so he or she can administrate it to reach good performance. Booting a computer is the process by which the operating system is loaded in memory.
To change the size, order, and alignment of the icons of the desktop. Proceed to change the size, order, and alignment of the desktop. Click with the right button of the mouse in the area of the desktop window from the console menu, select View. Select one of the best options. Observe that in the desktop it is shown the icon according to the select size. Activate again the option View. Now select Organize icon automatically, so Windows organizes automatically the order of the icons. Align icons to read permit to order icons from the desktop in case any of them are out of each square. Click on this icon. Show icons of the desktop permit to show hide icons of the desktop. Click on Show icons of the desktop and observe that the icons are no more in the screen. Click again on this icon to show the icons on the desktop. Order icons of the desktop. Proceed to order the icons of the desktop. 1. Click with the right button of the mouse in the area of the desktop window from the contextual menu of Sort By. 2. Click on each one of them to observe the way in which Windows orders the icons on the desktop at the end. Leave the order by name. Personalize the mouse. One of the most used elements is the mouse. This is useful in many applications. Windows permits to personalize it, so it helps to improve your performance. To change the background discard, the background desktop can be changed by one already included Windows, or it can be an image for a library of image or the personal image. To change the color of a window, Windows permits to change the color of the frames of the window for the Start menu and for the taskbar. Follow the procedure. Procedure to change the color of the window. 1. Click with the right button of the mouse in the area of the scope of Windows. From the contextual menu, select Properties. Click on Window Color. Change the desired color and slide to bottom of color intensity to one of your preference. 4. Explain about the button that shows mixing colors. 5. Finally click on Save Change to change the sounds of the system.
Presentation of the medium where the user introduces orders or commands to operate the system, and this to the hardware. Interface is the communication means through which the user interacts with the software. Those is a operating system that domains the market of computers, which since the operating system has had different versions. Requirements of the system. The minimum requirements of the system to use Windows 8 on computers are processor of 32 bits or 64 bits to 1 GHz or more. Available space in hard disks of 16 gigabytes or 20 gigabytes. Graphical device DirectX 9 with controller WDDM 1.0 or upper. Desktop. It is a working area and it occupies the entire screen. Mouse pointer. It permits to select one click and execute applications 2 clicks. They are the objects of the desktop. Taskbar. It is used to give access to many applications, and it is composed by Start menu, Direct Access, Open Applications area, and Status area. Basic task of Windows 8. Basic task of Windows 7. To change the image of the user account.
Task of Windows 7. Backup and restore. The option Backup and Restore permits you to create backups of the personal files that you consider the most important, so you remain prepared for any contingency that may occur in your computer equipment. For doing this action, perform the following sequence. Action Center. The Action Center permits the user to see the alerts and perform the necessary action, so the operating system Windows 7 works without problems. Security in the computer equipment. Firewall. A firewall is a walled system of defenses, blocking or allowing the passage of information from internet and prevents the hacker or people have access to computer equipment. What the firewall does is to create a wall between internet and computer.